So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa labas ng bagong office natin ng House of Franchise. Tara, tour ko kayo. Once again, we are here in House of Franchise, and for today, itutur ko po kayo sa ating mga napakasarap na food cart concepts natin. Nandito po ang Siomai King, Boy Bondat, Mang Box, and Burger Factory. On the other side, nandito po ang Tok Tok, Noodle House, Siopaw the King, and Sergeant Sisin. Guys, first stop po natin dito sa Mang Box Manok. As you can see, we are already open for franchise. So, pakita ko po sa inyo yung benefits. If you avail the franchise of Mang Box, for the first 50 franchisee, magkakaroon po kayo ng more than 50% discount. Welcome to Noodle House, our next concept. So as you can see, no, marami po tayong menu makikita dito. May beef siomai, fried noodles, beef teriyaki, pork siomai, and yung wonton siomai natin. And you can choose your own sauce. And guess what? Good news ko po sa inyo, open for franchise din tayo ng Noodle House. Okay, so for our next food concept, Siomai King, ang hari ng siomai. Kaya po siya tinawag na hari ng siomai because they serve 5 pieces of siomai per serving. We have chicken siomai, Shanghai siomai, Hong Kong siomai, and of course Japanese siomai. And we are open for franchise. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa payment section. Once po na maging interested kayo to process your franchise application, you can proceed here in Shaw Boulevard in our office, House of Franchise. Dito po mismo natin ipaprocess yung payment nyo for you to become a franchisee of House of Franchise. Did you know that House of Franchise became the franchise company of the year 2020 to 2021, and we have more than 1,000 branches nationwide?